Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. This is day 4 of your English Foundations journey. Today's lesson is not about grammar or vocabulary. Today is about confidence. Many learners know English, but they feel afraid to speak. In this class, you will learn how to speak calmly, slowly, and confidently. Relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Mindset: speaking without fear. First, let's fix your mindset. You do not need perfect English to speak. You only need clear English. Making mistakes is normal. Every English speaker makes mistakes, even native speakers. Repeat after me. It's okay to make mistakes. I learn when I speak. My English improves every day. I am not afraid to speak. Remember this: people understand confidence, not perfection. Slow speaking practice. Now let's practice slow, clear speaking. Speaking slowly makes your English stronger and more understandable. Repeat after me slowly. I am learning English. I speak slowly and clearly. People understand me. Now again, naturally but calm. I am learning English. I speak slowly and clearly. People understand me. Slow speaking gives you control. Control removes fear. Tone practice. Sound confident. Now let's practice your tone. Tone means how your voice sounds, not what you say. Say these sentences with a calm, confident tone. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you? I'm happy to be here. Yes, I understand. Let me try. Now say them again with confidence. Hello, how are you? I'm happy to be here. Yes, I understand. Let me try. A calm tone makes your English sound natural and confident. Mini conversation, real practice. Now let's do a short, simple conversation. Listen first, then repeat. Harry: hello, how are you? Alex: I'm good, thank you. How about you? Harry: I'm fine. Are you learning English? Alex: yes, I am learning English. Harry: that's great. Keep going. Alex: thank you, I will. Now repeat the conversation with me. Again, slowly and clearly. Excellent. Speaking affirmation. Before we end, repeat these lines confidently. I can speak English. I speak without fear. I am confident. I keep improving. Great job completing Day 4 English Speaking Confidence class. Today, you learned how to control fear with mindset, slow speaking, tone, and real conversation practice. Confidence grows with practice. Speak every day, even for 5 minutes. In Day 5, we will practice real daily conversations to make your English more natural. This is 24/7 Talk English. Keep practicing, keep believing. See you in Day 5.